Hello and welcome to my brand new channel called Money Bear. And on this channel, we will be talking about different strategies to make money online. So let's jump in. This first video is going to be how to hijack unlimited free traffic online in 12 hours or less. So that is hypey, but I will show you exactly how to do this and that it is actually real. So what we're going to want to do is open up a browser. Now I'm on Ahrefs. It's ahrefs.com, and it is a SEO tool that can get kind of pricey. I think it's around $100 a month for this tool, but you don't have to have this. You don't have to have the $100 membership. You can sign up for a $7 a 1 week trial, and you could go in and do a bunch of research at the same time. You could do research for 7 days, and then gather a bunch of information and just take that information and then you can apply it to the method. Another thing you can do is find some other tools. There are other tools that will get you that can get you similar type of information for free or for much cheaper. But Ahrefs, if you're serious about this, about your business online, is a really great tool to have. So you're on Ahrefs. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to type in the website Quora. So if we go to Quora.com and just click it and push search on Site Explorer, it's going to go out there. It's going to bring back a bunch of details for us, right? And it's the 568th most trafficked website online. And so we're going to come over here and just going to let it finish. And we have organic traffic. We have the organic keywords, over 82 million organic keywords. I mean, it's an insane website with a ton of traffic. So we're going to actually come over here to organic keywords, and you can see it's just nothing but a growth. It's just nothing but growing like crazy. They've had massive growth in 2020. And so we're going to click on the organic keywords over here, right? Organic keywords. That's going to open up. And now we have 46 million keywords of all this stuff that is, and these are all different keywords that Quora is ranking for on the internet. So what we're going to do is do a couple of different things over here. Now we can also come in here and type in something. So like in this niche, right? We want to make money. We want to make money online. So maybe we just type in, let's just say money for now. So we've narrowed it down to 403,000 keyword phrases that they're ranking for. Like, for example, do streamers get money from Twitch Prime subs? So then what we can do is get a little bit, because that's still too many to go after, 400,000. So we're going to go to position. And if I go from position, we want either from 1 to 5. We want it to be ranking a pretty good ranking. I'm going to push apply there, and watch this. 400,000 is going to now be cut down significantly. So now it's cut down to 24,000. Now I'm going to go with volume, and really I want it to have at least 100 searches, or 100 searches or visitors a month. I'm going to push apply, and now watch that. 24,000 is now going to be cut down to 3,375. So now we're talking, right? So now we can come in here and how does Discord make money? So we could actually come over here, how to make money on OnlyFans without showing your face. And you can see the volume here. And what I'm going to do is right click over here. You can actually open up the page over on Quora. And then what you can do is you can actually see right here that it has only 5 answers, right? So it has 5 answers over here. So what you can do now is showing you one of my accounts. You know, just in the last 3 months, I have 2.5 thousand views, 18 upvotes, 1 share, and I'm answering questions in the make money online niche, and it actually brings in traffic. Last 7 days, here's the traffic. Last 30 days, look right here. I put in a lot of work on this day, and I was able to get over 300 views just that one day. I haven't done any posts recently, but it's still traffic that just keeps going, steady traffic. So the method works, right? So I'm going to come back through here, and now what you'd want to do is maybe How can you make 100 in a day? There's one right there on OnlyFans without showing your face. So then now all you do is come over here and you push the answer button. There's only 5 answers, right? And then what you can do is just come in here and put an answer in right here, right? And there's plenty of ways, but what I recommend is make sure that you add an image, and then you want to get to the point fast, so people will actually read your answer, and the first few sentences actually do get the answer. Now you can make your post longer, but just make sure you get to the point faster. And then number 3, add your link. Now I don't recommend using affiliate links because if you just directly go to an affiliate link, you can actually get your account banned on Quora. So you want to have either send them to a YouTube video or send them to your blog, something like that. Even a landing page or capture page works fine. But you want to do that and not just, you don't want to spam Quora or you'll get your account banned. So, and then you can get traffic, and then you can even use a bit.ly link or something like that. But then you can get traffic like this over to your offers. And it's just a organic free method to bring in traffic, and you won't have to. So now you can have organic traffic coming in, and this is a free method to get traffic into your business. So I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next videos and my next tutorials. See you next time.